Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to type the @ symbol on your laptop keyboard. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. If you're having issues in finding the @ key on your keyboard, then it might be because of difference in languages. The easiest way to do so, if you're on your English keyboard or you just use the English language, just go right here to the settings, then search for language, and then click on language settings. And then from here click on the keyboard, and then from here make sure that you use the language list, so you can use the English. And once you confirm that it is currently right now in English, or you can just hold the Shift Alt to change languages, as you can see right here on the bottom right. When I click Shift Alt, then I can change languages into the English. Once I'm in English, then the most basic one or the most popular feature is to hold Shift on your keyboard and then press the number 2 on the top keypad. So once you do that, then you can write the @ symbol just like that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.